Hi, I'm going to make the fried milk today, and all you need is about 1.5 cup of coconut milk, and three and a half tablespoon of the cornstarch, and 3.5 tablespoon of sugar. For the batter, I'm using 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of the entire breadcrumb. So I'm going to cook the milk first. I put the 1.5 cup coconut milk in it first. Then I put the sugar. And you have to wait until they're boiling. Then I'm going to put the cornstarch in it. And before I put the cornstarch in it, so I put a couple spoon of 3 spoon of coconut milk in it, and put the cornstarch in it and mix. Okay, look like they are boiling right now, you see. So I'm gonna Okay, they look pretty thick, so I still cook a little bit more. I want it a little bit more thicker. It looks good. Okay, then I'm gonna turn off the heat. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a plate like that. Okay, after you done the coconut milk, you put it in the cooler for overnight. So after overnight, then going to be turned out like this. So I cut into a small pieces like that. So first, I'm going to dip it in a cornstarch. Then I put it in the milk in the egg. And I put it in the breadcrumb like that. So I'm going to put all of them. Okay, I'm going to deep fry it, put some oil in it, and turn on about 350. Okay, you deep fry it until they turn golden brown. That probably take a few minutes. Okay, this is already a few minutes. You see they turn to a golden brown now. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to put it in a plate. Okay, this is all done. This is what I make today, fried milk.